Suppose you want to add this person into this group photo but you don't have Photoshop. In this video, I'll show you how to add any person to any photo completely for free and without any skills in Photoshop. First, we're gonna try Google's Gemini. This is a free account. Let's upload these two photos. I'll write this prompt. Add the person in the white background to the group photo. Add him in the right side of the group photo with full body. Match the color, lighting, and perspective. Then select thinking. It should give you a better result. Wait few seconds and there you go. It adds the new person perfectly in the original photo. I'll show you a few other AI platforms because sometimes one works and the other doesn't. So it's better to know alternatives. Let's try ChatGPT. I'll upload those two photos and use the same prompt. ChatGPT generally works better compared to Gemini, but in this case, it didn't. It added the new person perfectly but removed the lady from the right side. Next, let's try Grok. I'll upload those same photos and use the same prompt. I really don't have high expectations from Grok, but still let's give it a try. And yeah, Grok totally missed it. Finally, just for fun, I also tried this in Meta AI and look at these results. Nothing to say really. Only Gemini did the perfect job here. But I showed you different platforms because those might come in handy in some cases. If you want to see a detailed comparison between Gemini, ChatGPT and Grok in terms of photo editing, then watch this video.